Hi everyone, Kirk here. Hey, I just wanted to bring you a very brief video, tell you about a really cool deal that's going on right now over on Amazon. You can find the link right down below. It is for one of these right here. This is the Imazing 2500A jump starter. It's the IM29. So I have not officially reviewed this product yet, but I will be. I just wanted to tell you about a pretty cool deal that they're having right now until June 13th. It is, they're basically giving 40% off if you use the promo code Motorrad 40. Okay, I'll put it down in the link, down in the description below. All that stuff will be right down below. I'll just give you a real brief preview of it. This is in no way, shape, or form a review of it, because I haven't reviewed it yet. I haven't even tried it yet. I haven't had a motorcycle in here yet that's been dead. Even a car that's been dead. Nothing's been dead on me, so I just haven't been able to. I do have a dead battery here. I have a dead battery, but this battery really, it's not going to do me any good to, just hook it up to a battery and not a motorcycle. I don't really want to install a dead battery in a motorcycle. That would be kind of, that'd be a little overkill. Of course, I am pretty good for overkill. This is the unit right here. It's just, your typical power brick. You've seen a lot of these. I've even reviewed a couple of them. I had the Energizer one. I have the NOCO one. I don't know whatever happened to the Energizer one. Somebody walked off with it, or it got left somewhere. Maybe I loaned it out. I don't even know. Anyways, here's the jumper cables. So they just plug in. They plug into this little thing right here. You know how these things work. There's only one way to go. It's a one-way plug, only goes in one way. It automatically turns on, and it starts looking for a battery connection. The other thing it has, which I really do like, is it has a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can light your cigarettes. Okay, that's important. And it also comes with a charge cable. This is a USB, looks like a Type-C connector, so you can also use this not only to charge the unit, but you can use this to charge your phones. Plug it into one of the either the USB 3.0 or the 2.0 plug here, and charge up your phone or your laptop or whatever, whatever this thing will use for. That's all that's in the kit. There's nothing else. You do get a carry case with it, the Imazing carry case. Anyways, just a real brief overview. More importantly, this is just to tell you about the code 40% off until June 13th, 2020. Actually, probably at June 13th, I'll probably remove this video so that way people are not disappointed afterwards, thinking, oh no, I missed out on the 40% off thing. And maybe by then I'll have a bike in here that needs, I can do a proper review of this product. I got a feeling it's going to work really good. Just a quick, view of the stats here. It says that it has start amps of 1,000 amps. Could you imagine trying to push 1,000 amps through cables like this? You would have a fire pretty quick. And then it says the peak amps are 2,000 to 2,500 amps. Yeah, somehow I'm really kind of doubting that kind of creative marketing. Anyways, I'm sure it works though. It says it's good for starting 4 to 6 cylinder vehicles and motorcycles. So it'll be good for snowmobiles, most cars out there. A lot of cars are 6 cylinder. I may even try it someday on my 8 cylinder truck just to see what happens. So check out the link. It's right down below. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.